Hey guys, welcome to the MGM 2025. We're ready to do some more vacations and we're gonna be staying here as my hotel choice. Well, me and my friends. So hopefully you guys like it. I mean, it's okay here at the MGM, but I honestly think there's a lot of better places to stay. But let's go take a room tour real quick and see what that looks like, all right? Welcome to Las Vegas 2025. We're back with more vacations this year and it's going to be amazing. This is going to be a tour of room number 5426. This is on the 5th floor, room number 426. I'm here with my friends on vacation for New Year's week and let's take a look and see what this room has to offer. Looks like it offers some weird people over here.
What's weird, bro?
Look at this, man. This girl over here is hiding under the pillow. What is she doing? Anyways, hey guys, so this is the room. Now they're pretty booked, so we didn't really get to choose what kind of room that we're gonna get. We pretty much got whatever we got.
But we can get an upgrade to a suite tomorrow.
Very true. We might be able to get to upgrade to a suite tomorrow. This backdrop here is the window, but on the other side of the window, unfortunately, it is just looking at a building. This actually doesn't even work. Look at that. You can't see anything. It's just straight building. But this is the room. Got a little desk area here. The artwork's nice, doesn't smell in here. The backdrops are pretty cool. This guy's hiding over there in the corner. The entertainment center is a little old school, especially with that TV. I mean, what is that, 1990s TV?
Which one?
And then here's the other thing too, okay? They don't give you a refrigerator, which I really need. They have this active sensor one. So basically, if you touch anything or if you alter it in any way, you get charged like $50 supposedly. And our friend Lou grabbed this drink and moved it. So we're hoping we don't get charged $50 for that. Ah, bad Lou. What are we gonna do with you?
I don't care. Like, they're so dumb, like, you know, like, what is it?
No, I understand. I do.
Like,
I understand.
oh, okay, like, you know,
That's why I'm saying that they probably shouldn't charge you,
And a
you know,
$300 deposit.
because it's just a mistake. But if they do charge you, I'm sure they would waive it, to be honest with you.
And a $300 deposit.
Okay, over here, I can actually take this right here. This is gonna be mine. These are always mine. They can't have those, so that's gonna be my take home. You guys, let's just check out the bathroom real quick. This is just a quick little tour of this area. There is a closet here.
I'm cleaning out the closet.
Yeah, now the bathroom, not too bad. They don't have the little soaps that you can take home, unfortunately. You gotta use these. Because I always like to take my little soaps home. Towels down here, you got your toilet over here, which actually has a stain right there. Ew, gross. And it wasn't us because we just got here. That's really nice artwork. And the shower. You guys, the shower is actually really nice. We have just got here off of a 14-hour drive. Didn't take a plane this time. And so we're really tired, but we want to eat and explore the town a little bit. See what we got. Yep, we're definitely gonna probably use all those. This one's almost done. You can see it down here. This one feels like it's empty. Oh my gosh, I hope it's not. But anyways, that's it. That's it, guys. That's just a quick tour of the room over here at MGM Grand. We are paying almost $300 a night for this room. I don't think it's worth it. I do believe that we can get better deals elsewhere, although sometimes you just try something different and see how it works out.
But that's okay.
Yeah.
And I appreciate you guys watching. So I just put in a $50 bill. This is the first time in 2025 that I'm gambling. Like I said, a $50 bill. Very first spin. And I won a spin. So I'm hoping that this new year will start off strong. Come on, come on. Oh, double spin. Dang. Oh my gosh. Come on, guys. Let's start off strong so that way I can go on a shopping spree. I don't know what I'd buy though, to be honest with you. I got enough clothes. Diamond? That's good, isn't it? Times 2. Oh, nice. 80 times 2? Dude, I am not complaining. I will definitely gladly take that. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. Hey guys, I was down probably about $800 and I was just about to give up. And I hit this. Now we're gonna actually watch it till the end because that major right there is $5,000. Here we go, guys. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. Dragon Link just seriously pays. I won on this one last time I was in Vegas too. Come on, you can save it. Woo! My friends are not gonna believe me. They're so not gonna believe me. Oh my god. Woo!
5,000 again.
Yes.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 58, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 8, 91.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy. At the MGM, the slot machines are impressive. Not only did I win, but I would tell you, out of everybody that I saw here for New Year's, the majority of the people were actually winning. You hear that bell? It was constant everywhere I went last night. Now, granted, it is extremely early in the morning right now and there's not many people here. But when there is a lot of people here at night, it is so packed you can't even move. But I would say 50% of people were winning. 50% of people were hitting jackpots here. You know, it kind of makes me think that because it is the end of the year that maybe they had a goal that they have to hit, like they have to pay out so many. So maybe the machines were rigged to pay out a lot. But anyways, you guys, MGM is definitely a place that I would come back to. Not my favorite one on the strip, but I am pretty happy. Check this out, look at that. Vegas 2025.
We're going to be here very much longer. We're going to be deported and detained in jail. Trump is coming for you.
sure is coming.
Did he just say that we're gonna be deported?
He sure did say you're gonna be deported, Captain.
So me and my friends are walking down the strip at night right now and enjoying our time. You know, since I'm a winner. And they're gonna go actually go up to these girls right here. And they're gonna get a video done. Oh, actually, maybe. No, you're not gonna do it?
Not those ones. I want
Yeah,
the
come
ones
on.
with- no, the ones with the pasties.
Oh. But before we do anything major, we're gonna definitely hit up the Coca-Cola store, the M&M store. We're gonna go out to eat. Hey, check out this car, guys. It's the car of the future. Do I play it? No. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. This vacation was quick and it was awesome. Happy New Year's once again. It's 2025 and we're definitely going to come back with some new videos on some new spots. Yeah, I like to take vacations and this is one thing I like to do. I like to win, but I like to have fun. Thank you guys once again for watching my videos. Enjoy.